A circle is defined by the relation x squared plus y squared equals 4. Determine and sketch its image after undergoing the transformation for -2. Now, this is a column matrix, so this must be a translation. There's nothing else it can be. So that means everything in my circle is going to be translated 4 across and 2 down. Obviously, I could just sketch it. Since I know the original centre was the origin, and I can shift the centre, and I know that a translation isn't going to change the radius, so the radius is still 2, I could very easily just sketch it. But what I want to do is show you how you get from this to the new one. So we're going to go, if my pen will work, x dashed, y dashed is the old xy plus my transformation for -2. But what I really want to do is be able to translate this whole expression into the new coordinate system. The problem here is this is an equation for x prime and y prime. What I've got currently is an expression for x and y. So what I really would like is to change this equation into an equation for x and y so I can just substitute in. Well, that's not very difficult. X, y is going to be equal to what we already had, x prime, y prime, minus, instead of plus, minus 4 -2. So what I can now do is write this as 2 equations. Let me write it beside. X is x primed minus 4, and y is y primed plus 2. So that means I can get my original equation, and I can now write it as x is x prime minus 4 squared, y is now y primed plus 2 squared equals 4. And so I have been able to go directly to the new image equation, the new relation for the image of this circle, without even knowing where the origin was and what the radius was. I didn't need to know. But in fact, you can see it's exactly the same thing I would have got. This is a circle. Its radius is still 2, square root of 4, and its centre is 4, -2, which is the origin shifted right 4 and down 2. And then you could sketch it, but I'm too lazy. No, I better do it since I asked you to do it. So now, it's very rough. I used to have a circle here, 2, 2, -2, -2 with centre at the origin. The origin is now 4, -2. Centre is now 4, -2, and the radius is 2, so it's going to look something like that. Now that was a very messy circle. This point is 4, 0. This point down here is 4, -4. This point over here is 2, -2. And this point on the right-hand side is 6, -2.